Keenan here. I'm about to start a 1,200-mile road trip from Connecticut to the Upper Peninsula, Michigan. Okay, so I made it to Electrify America in Herkimer, New York. About 210 miles, came in at 20%, and I'm charging at the EA 350 kilowatt station, and I was getting about 170 kilowatts, not bad. Next stop, Tesla Supercharger. I made it to the Turing Stone Casino in Oneida, New York, using the Tesla Magic Docks. Started right up on the first try. So I'm here at Baffia, New York, and guess what? The Superchargers are down. They said they should be up in a minute, so I'm gonna charge here. So the crew is just upfitting the Superchargers. They're all set, and I charged here. I'm in Electrify Canada. This is the last stop for today. I had a little trouble with these, but I got them to work. So I made it to the Best Western Port Huron, and they have a Tesla destination charger. So I'm using an Electron J1772 adapter with the Rivian, and I'm gonna charge to 100% tonight. I'll leave a link to that in the comments. Okay, this is day 2, charging at the Rivian Adventure Network in Saginaw, Michigan. I'm at a pretty high state of charge, but getting 177 kilowatts. Okay, one more stop on the Rivian Adventure Network in Grayland, Michigan. Okay, I made it to Mackinac City. This is the last stop before the UP. I got to charge to 100% here. I'm getting about 80 kilowatts from these Chargepoint chargers. Pretty sweet. Okay, so I made it to the Upper Peninsula, Michigan, 1,200 miles from Connecticut. Not bad, pretty easy trip. Across the UP, it's about 180 miles, and there are no CCS DC fast chargers available. So we installed this 50 amp panel here, and I'm using the Rivian mobile charger. So I'm getting about 34 amps from this 50 amp circuit in the mobile charger. It's working great. This is my camp gear. I have the IceCo Go 20, keep my beer cold. It's running off the Rivian inverter just fine. I'm using the USB-C ports with these jumbo cables to charge my phone. And then I'm using this really sweet solo stove for campfires at night and a warm up in the morning. So I'm also using this EcoFlow River 2 along with these Goal Zero lanterns, and I have a Renology 100-watt flexible solar panel that I have on the roof of this Easy Up clam. I also picked up this K-Cup coffee maker, and it's running great off the Rivian inverter in 120. There you go, pretty easy trip. I'll be staying in the roof nest on the Rivian for about a week, and then I'm gonna head on back to Connecticut, maybe taking a route through Normal, Illinois. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Rivian, Wi-Fi, Tesla, and tech products.